Hi dear students, so today another important concept of motion under gravity I'll be discussing with you. Let's suppose three objects are there, A, B, C, and from a certain height, let's suppose a height of h. From a height of h, object A is thrown upward with u velocity. Object B is thrown downward with u velocity. And object C is basically dropped with zero velocity. That means just dropped. That means with u 0, object C is dropped. That means it is free fall. Now, what will be the relation between the time taken by the object A, object B, TB, and TC? What is the relation, uh, between these times? Now, if we consider the motion of object A, if it is projected upward, okay, so we can consider its velocity to be positive, upward direction, but eventually it comes down to the earth, comes down to the ground actually, covering that h distance, as the initial position is upward direction, that means this position, and this final position is in this surface, so therefore the h should be negative. Do you understand? This is the initial position, this is the final position. So therefore initial position is upside with respect to the final position. So therefore the distance or displacement of the object is negative, and this much minus h. So I can use the formula for all of them, like ABC. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now for object A, it should be minus h, displacement is minus h coming down and projected upward, so ut ta I'm giving, then minus half g, because g is always negative, it is towards the center of the earth, downward direction, and then this is ta square. Okay, so this is the formula for A. Okay, so we get for A. Okay, now um, if we rearrange it, it should be just multiplied all the terms with minus, so h is equal to minus uta minus half, minus plus half gta square. This is equation 1. Now for object B, same, the displacement is negative because it is coming down, minus h, but it is projected or it is thrown with the velocity downwards, so negative velocity, minus utb, and again minus half gt square, because g is always negative, tb square. So if you simplify it, it should be h is equal to, all negative will be basically cancelled, so it becomes positive u tb plus half gtb square. So this is your equation 2. And for object c, h is equal to, h is equal to because it is free fall, so initial velocity is 0, so only half g, and this is minus h because coming down, and minus half g tc square. U is 0, so therefore I just neglect the term utc, that term. Okay, this get cancelled, so h is equal to half g tc square. Now you see both of these heights are equal actually from this equation 2 and 1. So from equation 1 and 2 minus UTA plus half GTA square is equal to UTB plus half GTB square. Okay, now you see, if we basically bring this TA in this side, this side, and bring minus half GTB square in this side, so we have to rearrange it. Half GTA square minus half GTB square is equal to UTB plus UTA. Half GTA square minus TB square, U common, TA plus TB, so half G TA plus TB, TA minus TB, U into TA plus TB, TA plus TB get cancelled. Actually, here I have done A square minus B square formula, correct? TA square minus TB square is equal to TA plus TB plus TA minus TB. Now this TA plus TB both the side get cancelled, and you'll be having half G TA minus TB is equal to U. So let's suppose it equation 3. Oh, 4. Actually, equation 3 is already given. Now, the value of U from equation 4, just put it equation 1 or equation 2. I am putting in equation 1. Equation 1 was H is equal to minus UTA plus half GTA square. So I am putting the value of U from equation 4 here in this equation. So minus half G, okay, TA minus TB into TA plus half G TA square is equal to H. Okay, now just you need to simplify it. Minus half G TA plus half G TB. Oh, sorry, here it is TA square and this TA TB plus, because this term was there, na, then half G TA square. So this get cancelled. Only you have half G TA into TB, that is equal to H. And equation, it is equation 5. Now you see in equation 3, that is, this is equation, actually this is your equation 3. Now this equation 3, H is equal to half G TC square, this is also H, and equation 4 is also H. So equate both from equation 3 and 5, both the H's are equal, so half G TA TB is equal to half G TC square. So half G get cancelled, so TC square is equal to TA into TB, therefore TC is equal to square root of TA into TB. This is very much important problem, and this problem was asked JEE Mains 2024 6th April evening set. So very important question, that one. Okay, and this topic is very much important. Okay, so stay tuned for more updates on these important questions. Thanks for watching.